Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and for all my new subscribers, hi, welcome. My name is Ismay and this channel will discuss everything crochet. So thank you so much for subscribing, and I really appreciate you having here. So for this video, I will be sharing with you all the things that I've crocheted in the month of May. So I know it's not really a lot, but I hope it won't be a long video. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna try to keep it within like 10 minutes, because we all know that won't happen, to be fair. But we can get started. So one of the first things, because I don't know if I'm gonna do it in a perfect sequence, so we're just gonna start off with the things I've made the most. So the most things I've made were these hexagons. So these hexagons are for my temperature blanket of 2023. And so each color is a different temperature, and I'm doing the high and the low of each day. Therefore, there are 2 different colors in each hexagon. If you want me to explain more on what a temperature blanket is, just leave it in the comments and I will make another video about that. So as I said, it's 1 hexagon for each day. As I'm kind of behind as filming this, it's beginning of June and I just finished, I'm about to finish end of April, but I ran out of this color yarn, and where I buy the yarn, they're also running out. So I don't have anywhere to buy this right now, and this is like my 15 to 19 degrees Celsius temperature. And so as I am ending and finishing April and starting May, it's getting quite warm, so I'm watching the website as a hawk to figure out when this color is coming back in stock, because I can continue no problem, but even if I need to use it as a low temperature, I won't be able to use it, so I'll be behind even more. But yeah, that's my problem, not yours. So I've made, I don't even know how many I made, 20, 30. I'm at least like always a month behind. So I think I've done at least 30 of these ones. And then I've also crocheted them together. So that's one project that I've crocheted in the month of May. It's not finished, of course, because the whole blanket still needs to be finished. It won't be finished till December or January. But that is what I've been busy with. So the next thing that I made was actually for a YouTube video, and those are these scrunchies. So I have one in my hair and then these 2. So those are, yeah, just some cute scrunchies that I made. The video is on my channel, so if you want to know how to make these ones, you can go to that video and watch it for yourself. So the next thing I made is actually a listing for my Etsy shop, which is also linked below, and that is this cute sunflower turtle that I made, and that is up online, and it's 100% customizable. So you can change the base color to any color you want and change the shell color. And if you don't want it to be a sunflower but something else, you can also comment to or ask to change the colors of the leaves. But this specifically is a sunflower turtle, so the base is customizable. And it even has a cute little blush, because turtles are cute. So the next thing I crocheted was also for my shop, so to say. I had a 200 follower giveaway on my Instagram, which is also linked down below. I'll do another giveaway at 500 followers, so if you want to win one of my plushies that I sell on my shop, give me a follow, and then when we reach 500, another giveaway. But I made this plushie, cow plushie, for the winner with a sunflower bag. They customized it themselves, I just made it, and yeah, they've received it and everything. So that is another thing that I made. another thing that I made, I don't have a picture of it, but this is the picture of what it is, kind of. But since this cow is in pink, the cow that I made was in blue. So everything that is pink, just imagine it being blue. I don't have a picture of it because the customer kind of stressed me out, but that's a story for another day, not today. I just have all the pictures on my phone because I take pictures of almost everything that I made. If I'm not too stressed out, I like to take the pictures so that at least I have them. So the next thing was for a customer. They ordered a regular turtle but with a pink shell. So that's also what I crocheted in May. So the last thing I made was actually this sunflower turtle, but instead of this color is called beige. So instead of this color, I have the color oatmeal, which is the same base color as this cow that we've seen before. So that is all the things that I've made in May. So I haven't crocheted much in the month of May because I've been really busy studying for my exam, and I have some more exams coming up in the next couple of weeks. So I'm just crocheting in between anything. And of course, all my orders, they have full-on priority. And then also for videos like these, I also like to crochet a bit. So I also will have that. So for everything that I will crochet in June, subscribe so you don't miss that video. And of course that video will come out in July, but I already have some cute exciting things that I've crocheted, and we're only like 5 days into June, so I'm excited to share it with you. And again, thank you so much for all the new subscribers that I've been having and that I've been getting, and I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of my videos, please give it a like and subscribe. So leave a comment so that we can all get to know each other a bit better, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!